Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samadukha Sukhasvastaha Samalostasma Kanchanaha तुल्यप्रिया अप्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दा आत्मसंस्तुतिः। ओम Try to be equanimous in all circumstances and for every aspect and respect. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall try to be equanimous in all circumstances for every aspect and respect. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetaकृत्यam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasamaskandham 285th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna was surrounded by Kaliya. All the Gopalas, Gopikas, they all staring at Krishna, and some of them even getting ready to jump into that pond. And Gopikas, because their mind is totally engaged with Sri Krishna Paramatma, Smita Viloka Giraha Smarantyaha, they are remembering Krishna Paramatma's love. They are recalling and remembering Krishna Paramatma's beautiful smile. They are remembering such a beautiful smiley face of Sri Krishna Paramatma. They are remembering Sri Krishna Paramatma's beautiful, compassionate, innocent looks. And they are remembering Sri Krishna Paramatma's so sweet words. While remembering, while thinking about all these aspects, they are thinking like this: now without Krishna, our life is totally empty and it is totally going to go waste. Not only our life, but this entire three worlds are going to suffer from this vacuum. And they are looking at Krishna, they are crying. They are all holding Yashoda Devi's hands and crying along with Yashoda Devi, and also they are getting scared because Krishna is not there. They are looking at Krishna's situation and thinking about Krishna Paramatma's beautiful, miraculous activities. Tasta Vraja Arpita Drushaha. They are again and again talking about Krishna Paramatma's activities, past activities, and saying like this: Visharuha Lochana Adbhuta Vishayunda Guniku Sarpa Vishamekke Gada. Ho Krishna, you have conquered Putana's poison. How come this serpent's poison is affecting you? Oh Krishna, it is so surprising. Like that, everybody crying, holding Yashoda Devi, staring at Krishna. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 24th sloka. Samadukha sukhasvastaha samaloshtasma kanchanaha tulya priya priyodhiraha tulya nindatma samstutihi. Samadukha sukhasvastaha samaloshtasma kanchanaha tulya priya priyodhiraha tulya nindatma samstutihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.